And the next step now, so this will dry, and we will start with the brightest colors. And actually I will keep this line for now. What you could do is probably use a lighter pencil drawing here, or like draw in a light way or something. But these colors are so thick, so it will actually override these. And you see here we will have 3 lines, and you need to put them like around this, so 1, 2, 3, and here will 3 lines, and it's gonna be a little bit tight, but I think it's gonna it will be turn out right. So we start with white, then the yellow, and then the red, then the blue, and lastly the black one. So let's prepare the white one.